Hello students, today we will discuss one more case study from probability chapter. Question is like Rahul and Ravi planned to play business board game in which they were supposed to use two dice. So here is the sample space or possible outcomes when you throw two die, right? Because possible outcomes for one die will be 1 to 6. So if you throw two die, it will be like 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Total 36 outcomes will be there. Okay, so based on this given condition we have to answer some questions. First question is, Ravi got first chance to roll the dice. What is the probability that he got the sum of two numbers appearing on the top face of the dice is 8. So we have to select those outcomes in which sum is 8. So clearly 6 plus 2 will give 8, right? 5 plus 3 will give 8. 4 plus 4, then 5, 3, 6, 2. So these 5 outcomes we will give sum as 8. Other than those different numbers, if you select, you cannot get sum as 8. And 6, 3 will give 9, 5, 4, 4, 5. So only these 5 numbers. Okay. And total numbers we know 36. So this is what probability 5 by 36. Next question is, Rahul got next chance. What is the probability that he got the sum of the two number appearing on the top face of the dice is 13. Now see, last number is 6 comma 6. Other than this no numbers are possible, right? So 6 comma 6, if we consider, addition will give 12. So 12 is the largest sum that can be given by the outcomes of the two dice, isn't it? So 13 is not possible. 13 sum is not possible anyways. That means this is impossible event. So for impossible event, we have probability 0. Question number 3 is, it was Ravi's turn. He rolled the dice. What is the probability that he got the sum of the two numbers appearing on the top face of the dice is less than or equal to 12? See, sum can be, see, the smallest number is 1 1 है ना? So sum can be, your sum can be can start from 2. You can have sum 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 12. Okay, equal to 12 means 9, 10 and 12. So if you observe, each term will be the outcome, right? Because in each outcome you can see sum is less than or equal to 12. So this is sure event, right? All outcomes of the sample space are making favorable outcomes. So this is actually sure event. So for sure event, we have probability 1. Other ways if you want to see, so total favorable outcomes 36 and total outcomes are also 36. And a favorable means those outcomes which gives sum less than or equal to 12. So 36 by 36 one only. Okay. Question number 4, Rahul got the next chance. What is the probability that he got the sum of the two numbers appearing on the top face of the dice equal to 7? Okay, sum equal to 7 we should select here. So clearly this row, this diagonal row will give sum 7. How many such elements are there? You can see 6 outcomes are there. So 6 by 36. If we simplify, we will get 1 by 6, which is in option C. Question number 5 is, now it was Ravi's turn. He rolled the dice. What is the probability that he got some of the two numbers appearing on the top face of the die greater than 8? Okay, greater than 8. So greater than 8 means 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So these all numbers will come. These three also then these 2, and then this 1. So how many such numbers are there? 3, 3, 6, and 4, 10. Okay, so 10 by 36. So if we cancel this, we can write 5 by 18, which is option D. I hope you understood this die problem.